Hello, I'm Jonathan Wakely, Wireless Sales Specialist here at Cisco. Thank you for joining us. Technology is driving change in the workplace, and how often have you heard employees ask if they could bring their personal mobile devices to work? You want to encourage more productivity and empower your employees, but securing and provisioning each of these devices can be both time-consuming as well as costly. The Cisco Meraki Cloud solution can help you to easily and quickly secure access to these individual devices, as well as ensuring and enforcing your security policies. Data and traffic security in the Cisco Meraki Cloud all begins with our out-of-band management plane. Only configuration and system data travel through the cloud. The management plane separates your network data from the system's data and ensures that your data stays within your network, and only the configuration and system information comes through the cloud as well. All of your data that stays in your network, or it will go out to the internet through your internet service provider. Now, security of your data is twofold, both from external and internal sources. From external threats, we have AMP, which is Advanced Malware Protection, built into our Meraki MX Security Appliance. As you might be aware, Cisco acquired Meraki back in 2012, and we took our best-in-class security software, intrusion detection and prevention software, and integrated them into our security appliances. This ensures that you're free from threats such as viruses and Trojans and ransomware. From an internal standpoint, you want to be sure that your data is protected and that the right individuals have the access that they need for their position. So for that, the MX Security Appliance has integrated into it our Active Directory. So in other words, you can set access based on the roles within your organization. So in other words, your director would have access, for example, to the payroll. Your managers would have access to HR. Your employees, of course, would have access to the general information and reports. And your IT staff would be the ones who would have access to the cloud in order to be able to set your policies and configure your devices as well. But when it comes to your employees bringing their personal devices into the network, Meraki solves this issue with their System Manager. And what the System Manager allows you to do is to be able to control and provision devices that are coming onto your network, whether they be Apple products, whether they be Android products, smartphones, iPads, and it allows you to provision them with your security policies. So you'll be able to ensure that they have the most up-to-date antivirus software, for example, that they're running the most recent iOS software, that they're not jailbroken. And you can even control the applications that run on these devices as well. For example, if you wanted to ensure that employees were not using FaceTime during work hours, you could ban that application from being allowed to run on your network as well. And of course, if any of these provisioning does not occur, you can blacklist that device from the network or just allow it guest access to get to the internet. So as you can see, the Meraki Cloud solution really gives you the ability to control devices that enter your network, ensuring their security, but also empowering your employees, increasing their productivity by allowing them to have greater collaboration and be able to work anytime, any place within your network. It also, there's a cost savings because the employees are bringing their own personal devices into the network as well. If you'd like more information on the Cisco Meraki Cloud solution, or if you'd like a demonstration of the Meraki dashboard, please feel free to reach out to your Cisco representative. Thank you for joining us. And again, I'm Jonathan Wakely, your wireless sales specialist.